Ever wonder how DSLR blurs the background? Today, we're diving into the magic of DSLR cameras and how they create that beautiful blurred background effect. Let's begin. This effect is known as bokeh, and it's all about the depth of field. Depth of field refers to the distance in an image that looks sharp while the rest is blurred. See how the subject is in sharp focus but the background is blurred? It's bokeh, and it's a great way to make your subject stand out. So how do we achieve this with a DSLR? It's all about the aperture of the lens. The aperture is the opening in the lens through which light enters the camera. A wider aperture, represented by a lower f number, such as f/1.8, allows more light in and creates a shallower depth of field. See the difference? A photo with a wider aperture has a more pronounced bokeh effect. And that's it. With a little knowledge of DSLR and aperture, you can create stunning photos with beautiful blurred backgrounds.